So now you can see I've got this big ass hole in the wall, but that's okay. Give it a sand, fill it, let it dry, sand it again, and if you do a good job, you won't even know that it was there. When it comes to choosing sandpaper, there's a number written on the back. P40, P120, P80. The smaller the number, the rougher it is. So if you've got a big mess like this, you start with a really rough, coarse grit. Don't rub too hard because this is only plasterboard. If you want, you can put a block behind it. Makes it a bit easier to hold, gives you a bigger surface to work with. Then swap to a finer grit because that coarse stuff makes a mess. It's pretty good actually. You want to try and get rid of this paint around it if you can. Then you get your filler. A little spatula comes with it. Scoop a bit out. Fill the hole. You will have to overfill so that it's jutting out from the wall slightly, because when it's dry, you'll sand it back to smooth with the wall. And if there's anyone out there who's a professional at this and you're judging me, that's okay, because I really hate doing this and I'm not very good at it. Remember when I was filling these holes and I said you have to overfill them so that you can sand them back? This is why you overfill them, because as it dries, the stuff shrinks and it sinks into the hole. So I'm going to have to refill that. When the filler's dry, it's time to sand it back. Start with a coarse-ish kind of texture to get the roughness off. When you've got the bulk of it off, switch to a softer, finer texture. Tidy it up. Smooth as a baby's bum. That's what it looks like after it's finished. can't even remember where the holes were in the wall. Oh, I'm really pleased with myself. I've done a really good job. There is one mark. Is that it? I'm not going to show you. I know where it is. There is one. Oh, there it is. Not perfectly patched. If you get it in the right light. But other than that, good job, Karen.
If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, and then share it with your friends.